So when you try to convert a prospect into a client, you have to consider the conversion rate at which people drop off in your funnel. So today let's talk about what can affect your conversion rates on Instagram specifically. Today we'll be talking about Instagram. So let's begin. So I just saw a question on Quora and this came to my mind. The question was, why aren't people converting into followers? I'm getting good reach but I'm not getting followers. What could be the reason for that? So I decided to record my thoughts on this video and let's see what comes up. So first thing I came to that came to my mind was, oh, this is a conversion rate, like converting people from prospects to the customers or followers, unknown people to the followers. And what things can affect the conversion rates? So the first thing that can affect your conversion rate is your content. I'll tell you how. See, if your posts are reaching good, you have a good reach with your posts, if you have good reach with your profile in general because of your engagement, and people are not like even liking your post, what could be the reason for that? One thing that I can think of is your content sucks. You're getting good reach, you know the strategy of the platform, what to do on that platform, but yet you are not getting people to like your content, to follow your page and all sorts of things. So that is where your content sucks. That's the baseline. That's the first thing you should concentrate on. But when so sometimes what did happen So sometimes what happens, your post start reach really low amount of people, but uh, compared to that, very high amount of people, a high number of people are following you, liking you, commenting on your post. What could be the reason for that? That indicates that your posts are gold, your content is gold. You need to work on your strategies like hashtags, engagement, or what I did. I started running Facebook ads for that thing, and it's working for me. I'm getting the reach, and now I'm getting the DMs, people connecting with me in a new way. What could be the second reason? Like, if you want to convert a follower into a prospect, you need them to DM you. You need them to DM you. You need to get them with personal content, connect, and then you can put up your product in front of them, right? So what would be the reason that people are not DMing you? One could be you are not connecting with them personally, right? That could be a reason that people are not connecting, like you are not showing up in stories. They are not seeing any face. Sometimes that's the reason they are not seeing any face for who are they connecting with. uh, See, Elon Musk, Tesla has a face. Apple has a face. Facebook has a face. Think of any brand. Tata, Reliance, Indian, not only foreign countries. I'm talking about. I'm talking about any brand. It has a face linked with it. Though that face is not coming up regularly, but it has a face, and they know they are connecting with that face instead of that logo, right? That could be one reason that you are not getting we're converting followers into the next step. So that could be one reason. One more scenario that came to my mind was, people are coming on your post, coming on your page, but they are not following. They are not hitting that follow button. Why? That one reason could be that people, your content doesn't really have in line content, like you are posting something on the other day and then you're posting something else on the other day, and the connectivity is not lining up, and people are thinking, what should I follow him for? That could be one reason. So these are 5 reasons I could come up with. If you have any more in mind, if this video strikes any idea, do let me know in the comments that what you think is missing in this video, and we can connect, I can make another video, or you can make another video for that topic. Okay, so with that, let's end this video. Hope you gained something informative from this video. So bye.